So you're involved in commercial solar sales, and how do you, as a representative of your company, deal with those unspoken concerns, and what is your unique selling proposition? Let's find out. Valley here from Greenwood Solutions. In this week's presentation, we're looking at commercial solar sales and specifically unique selling propositions and unspoken concerns. After watching this video, you'll understand what a USP is and how to address those unspoken concerns from your potential customers. Now, if you like what you see with these videos, hit that subscription button and let's get stuck into it. When presenting a product or service, you must stand out, as the customer will be asking the following questions out aloud or in their heads. Why you? What makes your company different? Why is your offer a unique and valuable proposition? You must have a unique selling proposition, the product or service that can solve their problem. Creating a compelling event is the thing that forces your prospect to realize they need to kick off a project immediately. You must have a story to tell, but don't go on for too long. Remember, it's not all about you or your company. This is an incredibly important point. You need to establish credibility, reliability, trust, confidence, but don't use a generic presentation. Any discussion of your product and service must be adapted to each person. Modify it to include specific points unique to that customer. Solve their specific problem. Ask probing questions before you start talking about the company. Allow the customer to talk, incredibly important. Create a connection between the products and the customer and get to the point. Learn how to make your key points quickly. Don't talk yourself out of a sale, don't waffle on. Demonstrate enthusiasm and energy. A bit of showmanship is a good thing, but not too much. Have to truly believe in the solar product you are selling. Have an adequate knowledge base. People overvalue benefits of what they have versus what they are missing. It is not enough for a new product simply to be better. Unless the perceived gains far outweigh the losses, customers will not adopt it. You have to influence their perception. Unspoken concerns. These are dangerous to the sales process. Usually get voiced right after you leave the room. Be proactive and raise them yourself and answer them straight on. Don't talk about possible structural upgrade costs or any other unforeseen costs. Do not create doubt. Focus on common concerns that some may view as impolite to raise. Are you going to take forever? Explain the process simply and assure the customer of the timeline of the project. Is all this solar production energy savings made up numbers? Show the customer the modelling and other examples of similar businesses that have benefited from solar. Can I get a better price from someone else? Why not wait a year, because prices will go down. Every year you don't have solar means another year of more electricity expenditure. Rebates may change, so that's a fear of missing out scenario. Do you genuinely have the expertise to do this right? Establish credibility, show past works and testimonials, etc. Conclusion. With commercial solar sales, establishing credibility early on, addressing unspoken concerns and allowing the customer to tell this story is key to success. In further presentations, we'll be looking at the power of graphics and the psychology of selling. Thanks so much for watching our presentation on commercial solar sales, unique selling propositions and unspoken concerns. If you have any questions, any inquiries, any answers, feel free to drop us a line. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button and see you on our next video.